You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly, or you're going to be able to help us yourself. It's generally pronounced in English as Kevasiav. Kevasiav. Now, could be pronounced different ways. Kevasiav would be more Italian. How do you pronounce it and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Kevasiav or any other ways, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.